Hi, I'm Lynette.
Hi, I'm Isabel.
And we're with Deathworkz.
If you want to learn how to do this, keep watching. The materials that we're going to use in this tutorial is
Liquid latex,
fake blood,
foundation,
a makeup sponge,
a stipple sponge,
a cream makeup bruise wheel,
a ripped up makeup sponge for texture,
a spatula,
popsicle sticks,
Q-tips,
and different sizes of 1-ply tissue paper. So let's begin.
You get a popsicle stick, you dip it in some latex, and you apply a thin layer of latex on your hand. You get a tissue paper and you pat it down on top of the latex. You tear the tissue paper to make jagged edges like this, and then reapply over latex and let it dry thoroughly. Do this 4 to 5 times. Once you get all of your layers complete, you want to make a hole in the center. I will demonstrate. You rip it with the pointy end of your spatula. Like this. After you do that, you go over with some foundation. And you get your sponge and you go over it. It would look like this. Next you get your makeup sponge and you get your bruise wheel and you get the bruise color. You pounce and twist, and then you pounce and twist all over your hand too to give it that irritation, and do not go over the same place twice. It should look like this. You next get a clean finger, and in your bruise wheel, you get the bruise color, and you go in with your finger and you go inside of the wound. Spreading it all around. Next, you get your
Stipple sponge.
stipple sponge, and you paint over it lightly with some blood, fake blood. Next you go all around it with the blood. And it will look like this. Next you get a lip brush and you fill in all the inside with all that blood. All the blood that you want. And also under the flaps. Looking like this.
And there you have it, a quick and easy open wound.